안녕하세요. 오투백 한국어입니다. We will go over 100 essential Korean sentence patterns. Don't forget to download the PDF file in the description. Today we'll study 동사 지 않아도 됩니다. 지 않아도 됩니다. We studied 아도 됩니다. 어도 됩니다. It means you can do something. You may do something. Permission. But 지 않아도 됩니다. It means express that something is not necessary. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do something. It's not necessary. Like this. 숙제를 하지 않아도 됩니다. 숙제를 하다, do homework. 지 않다, don't. 숙제를 하지 않아도 됩니다. You don't have to do homework. 걱정하다, worry. 걱정하지 않아도 됩니다. 걱정하지 않아도 됩니다. You don't have to worry. 걱정하지 않아도 됩니다. 오늘 학교에 가지 않아도 됩니다. It's not necessary to go to school. 오늘 학교에 가지 않아도 됩니다. 네, 여러분. 오늘 패턴 1개와 예문 3개를 공부했어요. Today we studied one sentence pattern and 3 example sentences. While remembering what you learned, look at the English sentence below and think of the sentence you studied today. When you are ready, say it out loud. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, create your own sentence using today's sentence pattern. Leave your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next pattern is here, and you can learn more Korean grammar here. Thank you.